Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I have for you a channel update. Well, 2017 had ended and we're at the beginning of 2018. Happy New Year's. But the main thing is I want to talk to you guys how we did in 2017 and what we can learn from 2017 to help keep growing here in 2018. This is TK. Let's go ahead and talk about the channel. At the start of 2017, the channel was about 20,000 subscribers, and by the end of the year, we reached about 45,000 subscribers. So that's actually more than double the amount of subscriber base. And that's all due to you guys and to your support. I want to say thank you very much to the new guys that have started with us and to the people that have been with us since the beginning and have stuck with us since then. This has been an amazing journey, and 2017 by far had a lot of learning from it. There's a few tweaks that I did in there that helped me increase the subscriber base as well as increase the engagement rate. So 2017 had a much better engagement rate than 2016. And engagement, I mean, talking to you guys commenting on my videos and then basically commenting and responding back and forth. The fact that we went from 3 videos to 5 videos, I also think that resonated pretty well with you guys. And a lot of you guys have also started joining the channel as it became more of a consistent content producing channel. So the goal for 2018 is to consistently stay with what we've done at the end of 17. So we're going to stay about 5 videos a week, 4 to 5 videos a week. And the goal is to keep making sure that I respond to every comment I get on my videos. So if you've commented on my videos, if you've seen any of my videos, you always realize that I will respond back to you either by acknowledging what you're saying or giving you an answer to your question. And this is going to be consistent to if a video is a day, 2, 3 days old, or a year, 2 years old. That's one of the things I'd like to help. And if I don't have the answer for you guys, I'm going to point you in the right direction. I have no problems referring you to another channel that has the answer that you guys will need. Because at the end of the day, if I help you, you can help me, and we can all basically make this into a group effort and we'll get to the goal. 2018, my goal, at least for subscriber base, I would love for the channel to hit 75,000 subscribers. That would be really, really nice. And we're well on our way there. Actually, since the end of December and now within about 5 days within January, we're almost about 47,000, which is really nice. And again, thank you very much for the new faces here. We started the year with the giveaway as we did last year in 2016, and you guys seem to enjoy that. So that's going on right now through the 12th of January. So check that out. The link will be in the description, and it's the first video I posted in 2018. I'm still working with XDA. I don't know if you guys are aware, I do videos on xdadevelopers.com. I went in December to the UK to support an honor event. I'm actually still going to CES next week to support XDA for another honor event, as well as I went to DroidCon in October to support them, and I produce other videos and content throughout the year. So if you think about it, I produce videos here and I will do periodic videos over on XDA. So I haven't left the channel on XDA, and even though I started with them, and I'm very appreciative of the fact that they gave me my break to be able to start on YouTube. Without them, a long time ago back in 2010, I would not have picked up the first time the video and recorded a video and submitted it and hoped that somebody give me a chance. So always a supporter, always a big fan of XDA. Will always work with those guys. Great team, a lot of nice people there. And I'm going to be trying to support my channel to try to grow it as much as I can. Because again, at the end of the day, it is going to end up help me and help them if I have more presence and more experience to be able to give them the best quality things I can do that. We're going to be doing some more PC builds over there, and I'm going to try to do some more PC builds here. I did my first Ryzen PC build on my channel earlier this year, and I'm looking forward to keeping that momentum going. I'm actually currently working on a 1700X Ryzen build for XDA for a video there, so it's exciting. More PCs, more stuff to do. What I would like to do for 2018, I think it's pretty simple. I'd like to keep the channel growth up to 75,000 subscribers. If we're able to reach that, that'd be amazing. I would like to do more collaboration. I have a lot of friends in the area here that are within certain distance. And when I say certain, I mean like within less than 45-minute drive from where I live. And my goal in 2018 is to have some more collaborations with them. If you don't know, there's I Love Trading, which I'll give you guys a link in the description below. He's very close, super nice guy, has had a massive success in 2017, and I hope for him to continue that in 2018. And of course, some gadget guy or some audio guy, Juan Carlos, he's also pretty close, and I'd love to be able to work with him as well. And of course, there's a lot of other people that work in the area that I love to actually engage with. And I did meet a lot more people in the business throughout 2017. And I think that's another thing that I enjoyed. And I'd like to hopefully keep that going in 2018. So I'm not going to waste too much of your time. Thank you very much for the support. Thank you very much for sticking around. Keep the engagement with me on the channel. That's really what I try to strive for. Let me know, what do you think the channel direction should be? What would you think are the recommendations that you guys would like to see this channel going forward? Obviously, I'm going to take your recommendations. I'm going to try to make them work as best as I can. But at the end of the day, without your support, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. So Thank you very much. Like and subscribe, share. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and let's make 2018 an even better year than 2017.